Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is crocheting little cute things series. I want to share with you how I crochet this heart shape hairpin. So I'm gonna share with you how to do a simple hairpin. You can add this as one of your hair accessories, as a gift for your kids. So I'm gonna show you also with the hair clip and also with the bobby pin. So to start with the heart shape, I'm using a 3.5mm hook for this, and I'm using an acrylic yarn for this project. Starting with a magic circle, I'm going to do a chain 3. Now into the magic circle, I'm going to work 3 triple crochet. So the chain 3 counts as a stitch, and I'm going to work 3 triple crochet. I have 3 triple crochet there. I'm going to work into the magic ring 4 double crochet. That's the first one. I'm going to do 4 double crochet, number 2, number 3, and the last one 4. So that's 4 double crochet. I'm going to chain 2. Now into the magic ring, I'm going to work 4 double crochet. That's 4, 2, the third double crochet, and the last one. I'm going to work into the magic ring. 3 triple crochet. So I'm working the opposite corner, repeating what I did on the other side before I did the 2 chain. So 3 triple crochet now after the 4 double crochet. I'm just trying to pull the magic ring. So I have 3 triple, chain 3. I go into the magic ring and I do a slip stitch. I'm going to pull the magic ring tight, pull the ring, pull the yarn tight, chain 1, and fasten off. So I'm done with weaving in all my extra yarns. Now with the bobby pin, if you want to try this with the bobby pin, is really simple. And also with the hair clip, for the hair clip you're going to need a hot glue. You need to glue these at the crochet hat with the hair clip. But with the bobby pin, I'm going to show you real quick. With the bobby pin, you do not need to use any glue. You just need to insert the bobby pin through the back stitches. Find the back stitches there, pull that through. So once I just pull that through my yarn at the back, go through few loops of the stitch in the back, and as you can see, we have the bobby pin hairpin already. And but for the hair clip, if you're using a hair clip, you're going to need glue. So I just attached I added some glue to the back of the crochet, and I just stick that to the hair clip, and that is it. It's so simple and straightforward. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's very easy and simple one. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, give my video a big thumbs up. Thank you, and see you in the next one.